In this video, let's talk about the power of curiosity. We've all been curious in our lives. For most of us, we're curious when we're young. We're really curious. We don't really know anything. We want to know. We want to explore. We want to find out. We want to discover. We want to adventure. And all those things are possible when we're curious. But then something happens. We get closed off. We get hurt. We experience some wounding earlier on in childhood for most of us. And it closes us off. It contracts us. It closes us off. And then we create judgments and assumptions and conclusions about the way life is, the way different experiences are, about other people, places, things. Just life in general, we form these assumptions and judgments and conclusions. And this is all coming from pride, because it's our judgments that we think that we know, our assumptions we think that we know, conclusions we think we know. And whenever we're so caught up in what we know, it's coming from a place of pride, where pride is getting in the way. And we can see that when pride gets in the way, what is it getting in the way of? What is it preventing? It's preventing curiosity. Those who have too much pride are not curious. Those who are curious are more humble. So the judgments, the assumptions, the conclusions, all those are born out of pride. And curiosity, you could say it's born out of humility. Humility is being okay with not knowing. I don't know. I'm open to learning. I'm open to knowing. I want to know. I want to seek. I want to discover. I want to adventure. I want to learn. Pride says, I don't want to learn. I already know it. I can't learn from you. I'm better than you. Right? There's a lot of arrogance with pride. It's an inflated ego. The more inflated our ego is, the less curious we are. So what is curiosity? Curiosity is, it's like seeking. It's like exploring. It's discovering. It's adventuring. That's what curiosity is. So if you've got curiosity, then you find yourself exploring life more. If you don't have curiosity, you find yourself concluding about life, making conclusions, assumptions, and judgments. And what is a conclusion? To conclude means to end. So you've heard the saying, life's an adventure. And to create conclusions about life is to end the adventure. It's to stop the exploration. Curiosity is going to keep us going. I don't know it. I want to know it. I don't know that. I want to know that. I want to discover. I want to experience. That's curiosity. Pride is a lot like staying in your comfort zone, which is the known, and saying, I don't want to step out my comfort zone. I bet you it's like that. It's probably like that. That's no good. That's this. It's probably like that. Form conclusions, assumptions, judgments. And what that does is it keeps one in its comfort zone. It keeps one in the known and prevents one from going into the unknown. And if I'm in my comfort zone my entire life, well, I'm not growing. I'm not evolving. Because when I leave my comfort zone, I leave my comfort zone because of curiosity. Curiosity is that step. It's that initial step outside of the comfort zone. What's out there? Says curiosity. I want to find out, says curiosity. Pride says, I know what's out there. It's probably like this. I believe it to be like that. And because that's set up, there's no actually getting out of the comfort zone because it's formed a conclusion. If I created a conclusion about the unknown out there, I just stay where I am. It's probably like this. Oh, you're telling me it's great? I don't think so. It's probably like that. And I'll just sit here. Curiosity is like someone tells you, oh, hey, you got to go to Costa Rica. Oh, yeah? Tell me about it. Oh, yeah, well, okay. I'm curious now. I want to find out. I'm going to go. I need to discover for myself. So then I leave this chair. I leave my comfort zone. I go. So we can see that pride really limits that curiosity. When there's too much pride, there's not enough curiosity. When there's too much pride, there's not enough humility. When there's not enough humility, there's not enough curiosity. When there's not curiosity, there's really no adventure. Because it's the curiosity that creates that adventure. Without the curiosity, there's not really an adventure. When there's no curiosity, it's called the comfort zone. When there's curiosity, it's called an adventure. So, of course, it's extremely powerful, curiosity. Curiosity allows one to discover new things, create new things, discover one's passion. Most people don't know what they're passionate about. Well, you got to be curious because curiosity will lead you to your passion. Curiosity says, let me try some things. Football, basketball, hockey, soccer, piano, dance, ballet, gymnastics, boating, hiking, running, whatever it is. Ding, ding, you're trying a bunch of things. Try this, I don't like it. Try that, I don't like it. Try this, I like it. Try this, I like that more. Try this, I like it even more. Try this, I don't like that. Try this, I like that the most. That's the best thing I've ever tried. This is what I'm passionate about. I want to share this passion with other people. Let me create a business. Let me share this passion with other people in a way that I can serve them through this passion. Let's make that the purpose of my life. I'm just going to share this passion with other people in a way that serves them. And let's just make that my passion for now. That's great. I would have only arrived at that spot because I was curious to start. And that curiosity got me there. The people that are not, they don't know what their passion is. They're usually in the comfort zone where they haven't tried anything. They haven't tried enough things. Right? Curiosity is going to allow you to try new things. I'm curious. Japanese food, Thai food, Chinese food, Indian food, whatever it is. It's that curiosity that's going to allow you to discover, oh, wow, I really like this cuisine. I really like this culture's food. I really like reading these type of books. It's the curiosity. Without that curiosity, one stays very stagnant. Because without that curiosity, remember, the curiosity is the exploring. Without the curiosity, there's no exploration. There's just stagnation. So it's really hard to discover things. You want to be successful, you need to be curious. What gets in the way of curiosity is a lot of our pride, is when we form beliefs, when we start just believing that this is the way things are. What is a belief? Everyone says they believe. What is a belief? A belief is just something that we feel good about most of the time. But really, we can't admit, we're not humble enough to admit that we don't really know. We'd rather say that I believe something, than say that I don't really know. Like I said, humility is okay with saying I don't know. And out of humility, that's where curiosity is born. I don't really know. I don't want to just believe, because that's not the truth. Belief is not the truth. If you experience, then that's the truth. It's real. You've experienced it. It's true. You don't need to believe what you experience. If I pick up a pen and drop it, I don't need to believe in gravity. I'm experiencing gravity. I'm not floating away. So I don't believe in gravity. It's my experience there's gravity. There's some force that's holding this body on the ground and not letting it float up in the clouds. And it's ironic that belief has the word belie in it. Belie. And a belief is not the truth. And what that does is it prevents one from being curious of what the truth is. It's like belief is just a big barrier. How's Costa Rica? And you say, it's amazing, and I believe you. Okay, I believe you. Now, I might want to go there, or I might not want to go there. You come back, and I say, how's Costa Rica? And you say, Costa Rica is amazing. I say, oh yeah? Well, now I'm curious. I want to explore it for myself. I need to know. I need to find out. I need to discover. I want to experience Costa Rica directly. I don't want to just believe in what you're telling me about Costa Rica. I don't want to believe you. I want to experience Costa Rica directly. I need it to be my direct experience. When it's my direct experience, it's true. That's why I said you've got the belief and you've got the truth. They're not the same. They can't be the same. One word has belie in it. And if it's not the truth, it's a lie. So long as I'm holding on to beliefs, I'm holding on to limitations that are limiting me to exploring. A belief is always a limitation in exploring. All beliefs are limitations. Curiosity, it's what's going to help you break through those limitations. It's going to help remove those limitations. It's going to continue the seeking, the exploration. As long as I believe, the belief it's like a conclusion. And a conclude means an ending. To conclude means to end the search, to end the exploration, to end the seeking, to end the adventure. I don't want to end the adventure. I'm curious. I want to see how far it goes. I want to keep going. So we can see then what really gets in the way of curiosity. It's pride, beliefs, judgments, conclusions, assumptions. So if you're holding on to those, well, let go of them. When you let go of them, you'll find yourself more curious. When you find yourself more curious, you'll find yourself seeking and exploring and living life like an adventure. And if I gave you the two options, do you want to live life in your comfort zone, or would you like to live life as an adventure? What would you choose? And you see that to go from the comfort zone to the adventure, it's curiosity that makes that happen. That's how powerful curiosity is it can take you out of your comfort zone. Is it that you can make life an adventure? You can create new things. You can discover new things. Curiosity is what leads you to your passion. Curiosity is what leads you to the truth. So if you value any of those things, discovering your passion, if you value truth, if you value creating something new, if you value discovering something new, if you value living life as an adventure, well, the power of curiosity can help you.